this keyboard just might be one of the cleanest keyboards I've seen in a while. Okay, this is a keyboard that I'm really excited for. Even the unboxing experience for this keyboard was fantastic. This is a brand new Newfie Field 75 wireless mechanical keyboard. There's several different colorways available on the website, but the one I got is called Ethereal, and man, all the attention to detail, it literally has me. It's got this metal handlebar, metal knob for volume control, and the 70s DIP mode switch, and of course, it's all RGB. This keyboard not only looks really nice, but it's equally as nice to type on. I love the entire design language of this keyboard, and anytime a company does something innovative like this, I'm all here for it. Follow along for the rest of this setup.